Hello guys, welcome to live. So we done two classes on Google Ads and this is the third class. I'll just revise the class and we'll move forward. Okay. So students have submitted their reports. I asked people to log into the dashboard. This was the first task. We asked to create a Google Ads account structure. I think this is done by Lakshmi. Good Lakshmi, very good report. And after that, I asked people to. This is also Pawan's report. Very good, Pawan. And I hope you are able to log in to the dashboard. I asked to send the reports as well. Yeah, this is what I asked. Because you came to this place means, see right hand side, I can see that. NSP Software Solutions. Good. Thank you. I've received others reports as well. I've checked it. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to revise some topics and we'll move forward. Pawan, can you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Right. So Google Ads today is a very important session because I'm going live. We're going for the tool actually, how the tool is going. This is where most of the people do wrong and they lost the money. So many companies asking me to set up their campaign, but you know what? Due to time constraint, I'm not helping them. So there are so many people who need assistance. So you learn perfectly. So there are so many talented people in the world, but everybody can't help everybody, right? So they need a lot of skilled individuals like you. So if you have a skill, at least you can grab 10 to 20 clients. You can't serve more than 20 clients as an individual. Maybe if you start an agency, you can help more. But as an individual, maximum 20 clients only. So that's what happening to me. I'm already helping some US clients, so I'm not able to find time to help others. So if you learn the things properly, you can also help the other people. Right. So before we go for a tool, just will recap. Impression, nothing but your ad appeared. So when I search digital marketing course in Hyderabad, ad appeared, it's an impression. Click, someone click, it will be counted as a click. Google charge you per click. So it's called cost per click. Someone click, then only they charge you money. Ad rank. Ad rank is nothing but position of your ad, where your ad is coming. First, second, third, fourth. Top four will be ads and bottom three will be ads. Total 7 ads will be there. Where is your ad rank? Is that first, second, or third, or fourth? Ad rank. Ad rank depends on CPC. As of now, it is CPC. In the future, I'll tell you something else. But as of now, remember, the person who puts highest bidding, he will be coming on top. So Google works on a bidding system. That is the closed bidding. Okay, like a competitor, like this guy doesn't know how much this guy, Simple Learn doesn't know how much Upgrade is investing. Grade Learning doesn't know how much Simple Learning is investing, like that. So it's a closed bidding. This kind of bidding, Google will get benefit. But being a digital marketer, you have to work in such a way that with a simple amount, how to be on top. That we're gonna learn. Now see guys, the same thing, digital marketing course in Hyderabad, Upgrade, Simple Learn, Great Learning, these are all people running ads. I'm a part of Simple Learn and Great Learning. I'm the faculty. Now, apart from that, I started my own trainings for 6 months. But you know what? As of now, this bidding is too much, man. Sometimes per click, 250 to 300 rupees. I can't afford it. Okay, because I can't compete with them. Here, money only matters. That's the reason I'm not running Google Ads as of now. I want to go for a network marketing. That's the reason I'm asking you people. So if you refer someone else, I'm straight away what are the amount I'm investing, I'm giving it to you. So the same 6 months program I'm starting. So I'm expecting if one person refer one more person, that is going to be good for me. Whereas a small businesses like plumber, painter, electrician, we can afford. CPC will be 20 to 30 rupees. I'm telling you, if you start your digital marketing institute or agency, you want to go for a Google Ads, there are big players, always they only win because they have a dedicated money. They have investors. So it's really hard to fight with them. Social media, we can go for social media ads. Same for my institute, I can go for social media. You know what? The problem with the social media is here, customer is searching, means customer is already interested. So there is a possibility he will be joined. This is called intent based marketing. If you share something on Facebook, what happens when people are here for entertainment? They want to see, today is Krishnastami. They want to see this. They want to like it. But suddenly there is something called digital marketing. They're not interested, and they see it. They keep in mind, but they will not join immediately because social media is for fun, not for a business. So there are some ads. Whenever you scroll, so many ads will be there. But this is only good for branding, not for a sales. So one second, guys, there is some kind of noise from my side. Just be with me. Right. So Google works on a bidding system that to the closed bidding. We have different networks, but as of now, we are dealing with a search network only. This is only very important. Most of the companies will give you work on the search network only. So let us go for a search network. If you see this search network, this is the text ad. Amount will depend on CPC. Ad will appear on SCRP. It depends on the place and keywords. People can filter it based on the location and the keywords. So how to log into Google Ads? I told you should type google.com/ads and log in with Gmail account. Then when you're doing for the first time only this issue, you have to skip. If you are experienced, you have to skip the basics things. I forgot what is the sentence actually there. So you have to skip it actually. Otherwise, you will go to the Google Ads Express. So skip the Google Ads Express part. Then after that, you just click on create an account without campaign. Then they'll ask you what is the country, currency, and time zone. This country, currency, time zone will not be changed later. At the account level only you can create. If you mention India, currency is India, amount will be deducted in Indian currency only. Someone asked me the question, if my country is India, can I able to run my ads in US or not? So there is nothing to do with this. The setting is only what is your country, on what time zone you want reports, and which currency amount has to be deducted. But staying in India with Indian currency, you can run ads everywhere. Once you're done, you will go to the dashboard where students have sent me a screenshot, right? To that dashboard, it will go. Now I just type google.com/ads. See, I have many of them. On the day we selected Japan client, Hungary client, like this. So let us go for this. So the unique numbers are given, this 661 and all, but with numbers, you can't identify it. That's the reason you have to rename it. Someone put in a chat fast how to change the name. Like if you have a 616 like this, how to rename it. So put it in a chat box. Which settings you will go? You have 1 minute. So I don't want these numbers. I want to have something like Hungary, Japan client. So which option you will go?
You asking us or at the online students?
Everybody.
Okay, so first we have to go to the tools and settings and preferences, and there we can see the account name.
Movendran, again, I told you, right? Uh, okay. See, I'm in India, then how to run ads for USA? You are in India, put your budget as India only, no problem, but you can run ads for USA. Okay. There is a location setting like AdWords account structure we learned, right? There you can add it in. It's not a problem. Yeah, tools, preferences, correct. So here you have an option, tools and settings, setup, preferences. In the account, you can change the name. Here there is one more option, guys, access and security. Someone tell me why we use this option, access and security.
To give access to the other admins like our friends.
Pawan, your voice is low.
To give the authority, like access to the other friends.
Correct. Like you are a owner of the company, you want to give access to someone else, you'll be using this option. Clear. This is what we learned, guys. And now we'll go for main thing. Assume that, let's take this example. So we remember Google Ads account structure, account, campaign, ad group, keywords and ads. So account is Yashoda Hospital. Now here my account is Japan client. I've named it as a Japan client. Okay, account is done. Next, I have to create a campaign. Assume that I'm doing for Yashoda Hospital only. So there are two campaigns here, Bangalore and Hyderabad. Two campaigns I'm going to create. See, when it comes to notepad, Excel sheet or paper, I can write like this. But when it comes to tool, it doesn't work like this. First, you have to create campaign, all the ad groups, keywords, ads. Then only I can go to the another campaign. So one by one, you have to do it. So first, let us work on the Bangalore campaign. Okay. Once you run this dashboard to create a campaign, you have a plus symbol, or else you have to click on this create new campaign. Both are same. Okay. Remember, you are at the account level. Once you come to this account level, next time you log in google.com/ads, directly it will go to the dashboard. You don't have to skip anything. One time only that option will come. So this is the account level. With the account level, first campaign will be there. So click on plus symbol, create a new campaign. I told you, again, I'm writing here, account, campaign, ad group, keywords, ads. How many accounts you can create, guys? Can someone
Only
answer? Okay. With a single Gmail account, with one Gmail account, we can create 20 ads accounts. If you want more than that, what do you have to do? If you want more than 20 accounts, what do you have to do?
Manager account have to create.
Very good. You should call it as MCC account. Previously, they used to call as MC account. or manager account. Remember, if you really want to create MCC account or manager account, you should go with a new Gmail account or a Gmail account which you never used Google Ads. You already used Google Ads, you can't use it. Let's take one question here. Suppose if the business website has a USA website but ad run person as a Indian, means what kind of information feed, either USA country currency or Indian currency? Okay, so his question is like, you want to run ad for USA, but the person who's running an ad is India. So what kind of country currency you should take? See, even though Indian is running ads, who is investing money? Maybe your client is making money, giving you money, right? It's always good to mention USA country currency so that client will be clear. Like assume that in your dashboard, it's clearly mentioned that today 23,000 rupees has been deducted. Whereas USA guy, he can't understand, right? That's why country currency settings, you can use USA. So it will be very good for the client. But actually there is no difference whether they charge 23,000 rupees, same converted US dollars will be there, no problem. Next, there is another question here. Sanjay, my total 3 AdWords account suspended. I want to ask, will I never be able to run again Google Ads? So again, Sanjay, it depends on what kind of business you are doing and what is your landing page. You can do it. It's not a big deal actually. So these days Google is doing like this. Please send me your website details, okay, suspended ad account message, so that I can better answer, because there might be a number of reasons where Google suspend your account. And to which country you are promoting the product, the currency you should use. Yeah, it's better. It's not mandatory, but it's better to do that. Okay. Next. So campaigns, how many campaigns you can create, guys?
10,000, sir.
10,000. There is no such thing. Nobody create 10,000, but it's just a number. At campaign level, what will you target?
The
At campaign level, especially. Huh?
The locations.
Location you have to mention. So we mentioned Bangalore and Hyderabad, right? So like this. So location. Any idea how many ad groups you can create? Maximum
20,000.
20,000. And what will you target at ad group level?
Business keywords or
Services. Now you
services.
can see here at campaign level, location they targeted, ad group level, cardiology, gynecology, pediatrics. It can be a number of services you can do it. Now keyword level, how many keywords you can target maximum? 10,000. Now here you will target the keywords only. Keywords for which you want to run ads. Here, Lakshmi says someone searching best cardiology, best heart specialist, best heart problem, heart surgeon. She want to run the ads. So those keywords you have to mention. For what keywords your SEO is poor and you want to run the ads, you can go for. Finally, ad. Ad is nothing but this text ad. This ad we only have to design. So today we're going to learn this, how we're going to make the ad. Total 300 ad copies you can create. Only one ad copy will be available. Okay. But Google keep on rotate the ad. It's called ad rotation. Best performing ad will be there. We'll learn more about it. Now everything is done. Today I want to go for Yashoda Hospital campaign only. Now we're already in the tool. Now let me directly go to the tool. So till now, if you have any questions, let me know, guys, so that I'll start the campaign. Anybody, my classroom students or else YouTube live people, if you have any questions, let me know. If you don't have any questions, we'll move forward. Meanwhile, again, I'm telling you, guys, September 10th, Next month, I'm starting my 6 months course. Fees is 65,000 and the referral amount is 10,000 guys I'm giving. So just if you help me with the referrals, it will be very good for me because I don't want for the first batch, I don't want to invest any money on the Google Ads, but I want to give this amount to you people. So if you refer, that will be very good for me. Again, I'm telling you, put a story, put a status, post on Instagram that digital marketing 100% job and put your number so that you will get a lead. Talk to them and give it to us. We will take care. Okay, I'll make a separate video and I'll be sending you how to get the leads. If you do it, you have a very good chance of making money. And you know what? Once the student comes to us, we will take care of them. So being a referral, you'll get money. Student will get a job. You will also get the business. Thank you. And if you really want to refer anybody, this is my email address. ayushmangalam786@gmail.com, or else if you want to contact so other trainer in WhatsApp or call this number. That's it. Thank you. I've been to the dashboard. I clicked on the campaign. Again, I'll show you. So once we go to the dashboard, click on plus symbol, new campaign. Here, so many things will be there. Sales, leads, website traffic. Don't select anything. Just select create a campaign without a goal. I'm not selecting a goal. It doesn't mean that I don't have a goal. I'll be selecting my goal manually. So I'm selecting this. We discussed, right? Search, display, video, app, shopping. They give something else called performance max, smart, and local. These Google have more control, and discovery also they started. Okay, first we'll be discussing search, display, shopping, mobile app, and after that we'll be experimenting on them as well. But for one more week, our focus is search network only. Reach customers interested in your product or services with a text ads. Select this. Then after that, it is asking you, what do you want, man? Website visit, phone calls, app downloads. Don't select anything. Directly click the campaign name. Guys, someone tell me what is the campaign name in this example of Yashoda Hospital? What should be the campaign name?
Hyderabad, sir.
Correct. Hyderabad or Bangalore. See, I'm targeting Hyderabad. I'm taking Hyderabad. It doesn't mean that I should take Hyderabad only. This is for my reference. I can mention something like this. Hyderabad Yashoda campaign. Because in the future, I'll be creating so many campaigns. So if you don't give a campaign name like this, you will get confused. So this totally, it's up to you what kind of name. But this is the standard one. This is very big, right? So if you want, you can do like this. Hyderabad Yashoda camp. You can do like this as well. Okay. Continue. Now he's asking, what do you want to focus on? Again, I'm telling you, these dashboards keep on changing. Google is experimenting. Okay. Sometimes if you get a different dashboard, don't become panic. Process is same. Just read them and do it. What do you want to focus on? You can focus on clicks, impressions. I don't want to focus on impressions. I want clicks only. So by default option will be given and just give it. And after that, he mentioned there is a bidding as well. It's okay. Just leave this. Set a maximum cost per click bid amount. Previously, this was not available, but these days, these people are giving. Just ignore this. Maybe after the campaign, I'm going to tell you. So remember this, I'm skipping this option. Set a maximum cost per click bid. Just click on next option. Yeah. Again, here also something is there, but I'm not explaining. As a beginner, I'll make your job very easy. Tomorrow, I'll go for each and every campaign, but still no problem. Whatever I do, just leave it. So network, search network, leave it. What is this option means? By default, your ad will appear on SERP, search engine results page. Apart from that, what he's saying is your ad will appear on display network as well. Means some people been to website, there also ad will appear. This is waste. Uncheck it. Next, include Google search partners. I don't want this option. Uncheck it. Because apart from here, there are some search partners for a Google. So if you put a question mark here, it will tell you what are search partners. Assume that AOL, that is another search engine. Maybe there also ad will appear. I don't think the search partners have a good authenticity. So I don't want them. So whenever you come, I'll tell you uncheck these boxes. This is good for you. But Google says that don't miss the opportunity. But I'm telling you, miss it. What I wonder is money. I don't want to waste my money. So uncheck this. I've seen this both checking and unchecking. I got a good results by unchecking them. Calm down. This is very important. Where you want to run ads. Now I'm staying in India and I can run ads anywhere. So by default, your ad will appear at all countries and territories. If you leave like this, someone searching digital marketing codes, everywhere your ad will appear. So you will lose a lot of money. This happened, guys. This happened in UK. So his father was not available. He was a Google Ad specialist. But while he was doing, his son, a 10-year-old guy, was observing what he's doing. When he's absent, he ran a campaign, but he left like this, maybe all countries and territories. So his ad appeared everywhere. Finally, something 20,000 pounds, which is equals to some lakhs, maybe nearly crore rupee, has been deducted from that guy. When his father returned home, he saw his credit card bill and he's shocked. Oh, this much amount deducted. But good thing is because of this mistake only. So whenever you run an ad, if you do mistake, lot of problems will be there. But good thing is that guy called Google, told the problem. Google have refunded the money because Google is really good. He's very genuine. And they got the money because there is a reason actually. Okay. But in India, this happens. First of all, your father will kill you. Why did you open my account? Why did you run the ads? Correct? And Indian kids also very smart. He'll tell you, I never opened your account. I don't know who did this. So better you learn properly. Otherwise, your father will kill you. So mention the location. So I want to, apart from Japan, I'm mentioning enter another location. Here, I want to run the ads, Hyderabad. So campaign Hyderabad means this is very important, not the name. I'm selecting Hyderabad. Next, languages. Select the languages that your customers speak. I want to target the people who speak English. If you want Telugu speaking people as well, you can run the ads. Multiple languages you can select. Whatever language you want, you can select it. Mostly English is suitable, but you have a special campaigns where you want to target the regional customers, so you can go for it. So as of now, I'm going for English. So at the campaign level, once I click on campaign, I select the search network. I uncheck these boxes. I selected the location, language. There are more settings, but don't go for it. Just simply click on next. Ad group. You just see here, I'm done with the campaign name and some settings are done. Next, I'm going to add groups, cardiology, ENT, dermatologist. Let me go for that. So there is a question here. Sir, if you not give maximum cost per click there, it's ruin our money, right? Krishna Prasad, yeah. You have to give a maximum cost per click, but I was looking for one option. It was not coming. I'll show you that actually. So how to go for a manual bidding first of all. Yeah. So ad groups. Let me write a ad group here. So ad groups are cardiology. This is one ad group. And later you can create another ad group one by one. So first group is cardiology. Next I'll create gynecology, pediatrics. Now once you create ad group, what are the keywords? What people will search? Here I'll be writing. So best cardiologist in Hyderabad, best heart specialist in Hyderabad, best heart transplant hospitals in Hyderabad. Again, there is a discussion called broad match, phrase match, exact match. I don't want to discuss them now. Just leave it. Later classes I'll disclose. That what are the keywords? It means someone searching this keyword, I want to show my ad. What are the keywords are there you have to mention? Let me show right now who are running ad for this. Best cardiologist in Hyderabad. Is anybody running ads or not? Nobody. Cardiologist in Hyderabad. Nobody is running ad. Yeah. No. Hyderabad Heart Specialist Hospital. Sometimes this might not come. Then let me check in incognito here. Just cardiology hospitals in Hyderabad. Okay, we're not getting any ads here. Maybe nobody running ads. Yeah, this guy is coming. Glen Eagles Global Hospital Lakadikapul is running ad for this keyword. Okay, so in such a way, I'm selecting some keywords over here. Now, important thing is ad. So I only created account. I selected my campaign as Hyderabad, ad group as cardiology, keywords as best heart specialist in Hyderabad. I mentioned some 3 keywords. Finally, I'm creating an ad. Ad means text ad. You just see this? This is the text ad. This ad also we only have to create. This is called ad copy. So this one. When it comes to ad consists of headline 1, headline 2, description line and description 2. So ad consists of, remember, headline 1, headline 2, description line 1, description line 2. Headline 1 should be 30 characters, 90 characters, and 90 characters. You can't do more than that. Only this is the limit. Okay, now I'm coming back here. You see, but you can see there are so many headlines. Previously, only headline 1, headline 2 is there, and description 1, description 2. Nowadays, they're giving so many options here. You can see 15 headlines you can add, 4 descriptions you can add. What happens? You can give 15 headlines. Google take any 3 of them. Any 3 of them. So your goal is not to fill with 15 anyway. If you give 3 best, it's enough. Google recommended to add. Okay. See headline 1, headline 2, headline 3. 3 enough. Okay. But if you want to give 4 and 5, don't do it like a naam ka vaste. No. You should do it perfectly. Every headline is very important because I'll tell you one thing. There are 2 ads running, Upgrad and Simply Learn. You are a BTech student, obviously looking for a job only. So you search for this. There are 2 ads. Which one you will click, guys? The first one or second one? Which one you will click? You are a BTech student, you're looking for a job. Obviously, you click on the second one, right? But this guy is paying a lot of money. That's why it's coming on top. This guy paying less money still is attracting more clicks. So your ad copy is very important. Sometimes, even though you're paying less money, if your ad copy is good, you'll attract more clicks. That's why you have to pay good attention on ad copy. So let me add my ad copy. Before that, you have to mention the URL. Someone click on that, which website it has to go. So mention your Ashoka Hospital URL. Whatever the website is there, that landing page you have to give. So let me tell you. Guys, what URL I have to post? Now this is website URL. Which URL I have to post here? Someone tell me.
Cardiology related.
Very good. Who is this? Harsha?
No, sir, Prashant.
Prashant. Very good, Prashant. So you have to find the cardiology one. Yeah, heart transplant. This URL only you have to give because you can't ask the people to go to homepage and whatever you want you can take. No, people don't have that much patience. So copy the particular landing page. Now come back here and post it here. So I'm posting the URL. But see the magic here. I'm posting the complete URL. Yashoda, heart, Yashoda. But on a right hand side, if you see, it will show only the main URL. It will not show the sub URL. If you want to know the customer that you are going to the cardiology place, you have to choose this display path. This is optional. Obviously, this is optional. You don't have to give this. But if you want to give, you can give like this. Cardiology hospital. Now, if you see here, right hand side, it will become cardiology hospital. When someone click or ad is not going to the exact URL, it will go into a different URL. It will go into this URL. But this is just like a hint for them. This is just a display path only. But this is the final URL. Final URL is very big, but Google will not show them. They'll take only the main URL, yashodahospitals.com only. If you want to give the information to your audience that you are going to the cardiology one, then only give this. Otherwise, ignore it. Now, let us go for a headlines. The first three headlines you have to give more important. Best cardiology hospital in here. 31 characters. It has to be only 30 characters. So I'm just closing this in. Best cardiology hospital, Hyderabad. Again, if you see here, in the complete sentence, my first in the every word, I'm making a first letter as a capital. You can do this. This is good anyway. Try to observe any of the ad. Everybody do like this only. If it is small, it doesn't look good. But don't make every letter as a capital. Google will disapprove. You should not do it. Okay. Next, heart transplant specialists. I'm mentioning. Then 100% success rate. Okay. 100% success rate. Yeah, this is my ad. If you see here, I've given 3, right? Heart transplant specialist, best cardiology hospital. It's keep on changing. It's keep on changing. But don't give something like this. Call me or call us. Don't have patience. I've seen most of the students do like this. Then what happens? Sometimes your callers will be the first one. But that is not good. That is not looking good actually. When Google keep on changing, your callers will come first. That's why give important to every headline. Don't give the short one. Try to utilize the 30 characters. And if you don't give the fourth one also, no problem. But Google says one thing. Your ad strength, it says that. If you add more headlines, it says that ad strength is good. As of now, it's saying that ad strength is poor. No problem. I don't care about your strength. Google saying I don't care. What I need is whatever the headlines I want. But if you want to care this strength as well, then make sure that every headline is important. He is suggesting something here. Like make headlines unique, make description unique, add headline like this. I'm done. Now description. Best cardiology hospital in Hyderabad. Yashoda. Now you have problem. Everybody have problem with these headlines. Headlines and description. The best way initially you will not don't know how to write it. The best way to learn is observe the competitor, how they're writing. See here, Heart Hospital in Hyderabad, Center of Excellence for Cardiac Sciences, a state-of-the-art center. Book appointment now. Simply copy them, no problem. Because this is not SEO, right? You can copy them. 68 characters. But I'm telling you, at the initial stages only, you just see them and you write your better copy. But as you grow, automatically you will understand what to write, what not to write. You will understand. Okay. Now you see my ad copy, how it is, and in desktop, mobile version, how it is. So different previews are coming. The descriptions also I can give 4, but 2 are mandatory. Now in this case, I'm done with account, Hyderabad campaign, 3 ad groups, keywords ads. Oh, only 1 ad group, cardiology only done. Now I have to create another ad group as well. So once it is done, click on done, then next. Now there are something asking extensions. You don't need to do it. You will learn in a later stages. I don't want to add, just click on next. Don't add any extensions. What is your average daily budget? Because you should mention how much you want to spend, right? So assume that this is Indian currency. Then we're mentioning 1,000 rupees. As of now, because I selected my account as Japan, I'm mentioning 1,000. He's suggesting something, but you can ignore. Next. Now your campaigns will be done, but the campaigns are not complete because I created only one campaign, one ad group. I'm going to add remaining things. So he's saying that campaign, what is the campaign? Hyderabad Yashoda campaign. Campaign type is search. Bidding is maximize click. Forget about it. Where your ad is appearing in Google search network. Partners and display, I removed it. My ad is going to Hyderabad. Language is English. And keywords, 3 keywords I've added, 1 ad, and my budget is 1,000. Publish the campaign. Google won't analyze. Google won't penalize. Google don't know that we copied, This is not SEO. Google will not penalize you. Google can only penalize SEO content, not the ads content. Google penalize for different reasons. So we're going to learn why they penalize. But if you copy the ad copy, nothing will happen. You can happily do it. Done, guys. Okay. I created a first campaign, cardiology. So again, click on this symbol, Google Ads. You are at the account level. Left hand side, if you click on campaign, see Hyderabad campaign. You can, if you want to create another campaign. When you click on this campaign, you will see the ad group level. What are the ad groups we have? Cardiology. We done only cardiology. 2 more things I have to give, right? Then here, click on this plus symbol and add the ad group. Now add group 2. I'm writing gynecology. Again, keywords. Just gynecology doctors in Hyderabad or hospitals in Hyderabad. What are the keywords are there? You just mention it. Okay. Save and continue. Then ad will be there. For a gynecology again, here what URL will have to give? By default, it is taking the heart only. Again, I have to remove, I have to give the gynecology URL. I have to change here. Then I have to change my headlines and I have to change my descriptions as well. As of now, I'm just going with this is not correct one, but you have to change it. Related to gynecology, you have to go. Save and continue. Now same thing. You want to go with another ad group, click on plus symbol and pediatrics. Name it as pediatrics. Now here pediatrics keyword should be there like this. Children doctor in Hyderabad. Save and continue. Now you have to create an ad. Here you have to make a children specialist URL that here you should, your ad copy should be best children specialist in Hyderabad. Description should be good and move forward. As of now, to save your time, I'm not doing it. But generally you should do it. Right. Now we have one campaign, 3 ad groups. Whenever you click on campaign, you will see all your keyword data. See, all your keywords are there. Again, you've done only 3 keywords. You want to add more keywords. You can click on the plus symbol, add the keywords. You forgot some keyword. Again, click on that. You can add the keyword. Best hard surgeon in Hyderabad. Initially, you can start with 3 to 4 keywords. Later, you can keep and add keywords. Left hand side, if you want to see to represent all the keywords, what is my ad? Click on ads and extensions. You will see the ad. Again, I created only one ad copy. If you want, you can create another ad copy as well. I told you, right? 300 ad copies you can create. It's Google always recommend to create 2 ad copies. Okay, one is with best cardiology, one is with us experienced doctors. You don't know, people click on the best cardiology or experienced doctor. That's why do A/B testing. So Google keep on shuffling, sometimes this ad, sometimes this ad. And if people are clicking more on experienced doctor, Google make it as a winner. We can see this as of now, this is under review. So ad will not approve immediately. Google check the parameters. Someone told me that will Google penalize your ad? Google will not penalize if you copy the ad copy. When they penalize is if you use trademarks of others. Like I'm talking about Google digital marketing course. I can say is that you get 5 certificates. But if I mention 5 Google certificates, Google is not my trademark. I can't use it. Maruti Suzuki, someone else trademark if you use, Google disapprove. That is one reason. Second, all sentences as capital if you use, Google disapprove your ad. Too much of spaces if you give, it will disapprove your ad. And if your business is not proper one, like someone selling some medical things which are not legal, then they disapprove the ads. So there are a number of reasons anyway. Today also some guy asked me that my 3 of accounts has been suspended. So can I able to run the ads or not? So it depends on a number of reasons. If I see the screenshot of them, then I can tell you whether it will work or not. Okay. Within 1 hour, sometimes take 24 hours, they'll tell you whether it is approved or disapproved. If it is disapproved, what is the reason also, they'll tell you. So with this, our first campaign is done. We created one campaign with the 3 ad groups, keywords and ads. I have to create another campaign as well. So let me create another campaign now. Now someone asking the billing information. Ahmad Aftab. I'm going to show you how to do the billing. So again, click on this logo and click on campaign. One campaign has been done, which is Hyderabad. And I have to create a Bangalore campaign, right? Again, click on this plus symbol, new campaign. Again, see, don't select anything. Create a campaign without a goal. Search network. Don't select any one of them. The campaign name is Bangalore. Company for Yashoda campaign. Now here, what do you want to focus on? Clicks. Guys, here I'll tell you, because this is the time to tell you, bidding. Here, biddings are 2 types. Manual bidding and automatic bidding. Manual bidding is nothing but CPC, how much you have to pay. Is it 20 rupees, 30 rupees? You only have to mention. You have a control how much you have to pay. Okay. Whereas automatic bidding, Google will bid on behalf of you. I'll tell you how it will be. If it is manual, you are A and B is someone else. Okay. initially you mentioned something called 40 rupees. Your CPC is 40. You're coming on some seventh position. Then you keep on increasing 41, 42, somewhere 50, somewhere 80, you coming on top. Means your competitor is bidding 79, assume. This is how we have a control. We can increase one rupee and you can come to know. This is how manual bidding works. But problem with the manual bidding is you have to keep on checking, put 40 where you're coming, 41, 42, lot of hard work is there. Okay. But one more problem with the bidding is one keyword only, you have to increase one rupee. You have 10,000 keywords. How much time you will spend? This is one problem. Second problem is you're paying 80 coming on top. You're simply guessing that second guy is paying 79. But suddenly this guy changed his mind. He came down to 40. But still you're in a thought that second guy is paying 79. You're losing the money. So that is the problem with the manual bidding. But automatic bidding is beautiful, Google have a control. So how this works, I'll tell you. A is your competitor, B is your campaign. So whenever A say 1, A selected manual bidding and you selected automatic bidding. Automatically Google says 2 rupees. So your competitor CPC plus 1 rupee. A says 20, Google automatically says 21. A says 40, Google says 41. Okay. So whatever he says, it's keep on increasing the budget. When he says 79, it will say 80. But if we decrease the amount suddenly, A decreases to 40, Google also decreases to 41. So always automatic bidding is good than the manual bidding. So previously Google used to give option like whether you want to go for manual bidding or automatic bidding. These days Google become good boy. He's giving directly maximum automatic bidding only. But the problem is if your competitors say 1 lakh, it's a 1 lakh plus 1. This is the problem. There is no control. So in this case, Google started something called max CPC. Max CPC is nothing but in automatic bidding, you can mention maximum how much I pay. Whatever the competitors say, keep on increasing, but don't cross this. So when your competitors say 1, Google will make 2, 20, 21, 40, 41, 79, 80. But if your competitors say 85, Google will not say anything because you mentioned max 80 only. So Google say I'm fine with 80 only. That's why you have to mention this set maximum cost per click, how much you want to pay, that 80 rupees. Okay, remember this. Don't worry, tomorrow I'll explain again this thing, automatic bidding. As of now, whenever you're selecting a campaign, this option will be there. I'll show you again to make you easy. As of now, we create only one campaign, Hyderabad, the plus symbol, new campaign, create a campaign without a goal, search campaign, campaign name, Bangalore, Yashoda campaign. Continue. What do you want to focus on? Clicks. Here by default, see this campaign will use the maximize click bid strategy to help you get the most clicks for your budget. Alternate bid strategies like portfolios are available in settings after you create a campaign. Once you create a campaign, you can change the same. But I'm telling you, this is the best one. But you have to mention maximum how much, whether it is 80 or 100 based on your budget. Once you click on that, remember by default your ad will appear on SERP only. But apart from that, your ad will appear on display network, uncheck it. It will also go for partners, uncheck it. Then this is a very important, your ad will go everywhere. Instead of that, mention enter another location. Here mention Bangalore. And will go to Bangalore only. Now languages, apart from English, if you want, you can mention Kannada as well. So select the language that your customers speak. Then don't select any options. Next.
Sir, the question was selected. We can't see the screen, full screen. Please
Sorry.
select the. Yeah,
okay. There is a question again. I'll show this and I'll stop it. Sir, can we change max caps again? Yeah, you can change a number of times. Whenever you want, you can change it. Yeah. So keywords, you have to mention the keywords again. So what is the ad group again? So here is the ad group, right? Same process. So what is the ad group name? What keywords you want to target? What is your ad copy? Keep on doing this so that your campaigns will be done. Again, as we discussed, whenever you create ad campaign, you mention the daily budget at the end of the day. 1,000 or 2,000, you can mention it. So here, don't get confused. Here I mentioned CPC. My CPC max is 80 rupees. My daily budget is 1,000 rupees. Assume that my CPC is 100. Assume that every time people click 100 rupees directly. Assume. Daily budget is 1,000. How many clicks are possible, guys? Daily budget is 1,000. Your CPC is 100. How many clicks are possible? Yes. Any answer, guys? If your daily budget is 1,000, your CPC is 100. How many clicks are possible? Anyone know the answer? Put it in the chat. Cool. Yes. 10 clicks.
10.
Simple. 10 clicks. Okay. Because 100 into 10, 1,000 rupees. 10 clicks are possible. So one is CPC is there, one is daily budget is there. Again, there will be a total budget. Till now, we haven't added the budget. How much money you want to invest? That is also there. Let me talk about that as well. So I'm going for that. Google Ads. So because I haven't mentioned keywords ads, it is showing the error. Still, you can publish the campaign. Publish. Now, again, click on the logo. Click on campaign. You will see two campaigns. Hyderabad Yashoda, Bangalore Yashoda. If you want, you can create another campaign as well. See, your account cannot show ads. To start running your ads, enter your billing. Click on fix it. So it will go to the billing. This is one option, or else go to tools and settings, billing. You can go for a billing where you can pay money so that your ad will appear. So at the time of account creation, I mentioned my country is Japan. Billing country. So this is billing country as set in the account. This is the account setting. Billing, if you want, you can change, but account settings you can't change. Now, whether you are organization or individual option will be there. Assume that you are a company owner, you're paying GST. If you want to save the money, then mention as an organization. Why? Because 18% GST will be deducted. You're spending 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees will not be utilized by the Google. They pay 180 rupee to the government. The remaining amount only utilized over here. To save that, if you have an organization, just to have to mention the GST details and all this thing. But you people are students, select the individual one. Then you can mention your card number. Like you can pay from debit or credit card. Because I mentioned Japan, it is going for automatic payments. But if it is India, you'll be having a manual payments. Debit card, net banking, these are all options will be coming. Because I mentioned account is Japan, it is not showing anything else. Once you've done it, click on submit, your payment will be added. Now you tell me, just think and tell me, there is some maths here. Total 2 campaigns are there. Okay, this campaign and this campaign. This campaign daily budget is 1,000. Total campaign 1 and campaign 2. Campaign 1 daily budget is 1,000 and they want to run ads for 30 days. So how much should be your total budget? How much amount is required? 30,000, right?
30,000.
30,000. Now campaign 2 also there. They also have same thing. The daily budget is 1,000. They want to run for 30 days. So 30,000. Campaign 1, total 2 campaigns are there. So 30 plus 30, 60,000. So in a total budget, your billing amount should be 60,000. Whatever the total budget is there, it will be utilized by all the campaigns. You can't add amount for campaign. You can add only daily budget. But total amount will be added at the account level only. Whatever the amount you mentioned, that will be utilized by the campaigns. So as of now, you don't need to add the budget. I'll tell you when to add the budget. I want everybody to spend at least 500 rupees so that you will learn how this works. So with this, your campaign setting is done. So as of now, if you have any questions, let me know, guys. Is everything is clear? Can you able to create a campaign now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't worry, I will recap everything tomorrow. And first of all, keywords are there. There is some more things are there. Ad extensions are there. Some advanced setting. Today, whatever I teach, it's very basic one. Very basic one. But I can't teach you the advanced one immediately. That's why I'm going one by one. Within 2 to 3 days, you'll be learning the perfect one. Okay, so tomorrow class will be there, guys, because Friday there won't be a class. But problem is you want continuity tomorrow. Otherwise, you'll get so much of questions. So students and live students, tomorrow class will be there at 6 o'clock. Please come. Tomorrow I'll be explaining about the keyword match types, extensions, and all these things. When you come back tomorrow, I'll give you task. Just do it. Okay, you need a perfect website to run the ads. So I should give the website. So there is a website called Dr. Batra. So I'm not going to tell anything. Let's see how you're going to do it. You only do the marketing analysis. So assume that Dr. Batra came to you. Okay. He will not tell you anything because he doesn't know anything. That's why he's need help. First of all, understand this business. Okay. But what I can give you is one thing. Dr. Batra, you want to run the ads in Hyderabad and Bangalore. So 2 campaigns. When it comes to services, you only browse it there. Daily budget. You want to spend 5,000 per day. To understand the business, first create account structure. Second, create campaigns for them. I'm telling you, minimum 3 hours will take for you. I want you to spend the 3 hours and finally send me the screenshots. Now, what screenshot I have to show me? First campaign, take a screenshot, add it. Now, once you click on this campaign, I want to see this screenshot. What are the ad groups? Then click on that. What are the screenshots are there? Then go to ad. What is your ad copy? I want you to have a screenshot as well, the final screenshot. So based on that, I can decide. Sometimes maybe I'll take your access and I'll check your campaign as well. So there is a lot of hard work. Watch this video. You face problem. When you learn the things practically, then only you will learn, guys. Otherwise, you will not learn. That's it, guys. So Dr. Batra's campaign, you're doing tomorrow. And tomorrow, 6 o'clock, I'm going to check them. Try to send me before only so that I'll get a time to see how is your screenshot so that I can guide you how to do better. Okay? Anything else, guys? Clear? Okay, thank you. And let me tell you my marketing again. So I'm mentioning in the here September 10th, 6 months course starting, 65,000 is the fees. Referral amount is 10,000, guys. So if you have any friends and relatives looking for the course, there will be a Zoom session, one-to-one. I'll be taking care of them. I'll also help them getting jobs as well. Not only jobs, I'll teach them how to make money online, how to start the business. Everything I'm gonna tell them. So I hope if 12 people are live, if you people bring one person, it's good for me. Okay. At the same time, I'm also giving you 10,000 referral amount. It will help you as well. Again, I'm telling you, I don't want to spend any ads amount on Google. I want to get that by referrals only. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. I'm helping you. You also help me so that win-win for everybody. Online students, how are the Google Ads classes? Are you able to understand? Am I going too fast or too slow? Let me know so that I'll adjust accordingly. Everything is clear? Cool Gamer, Yashmit, Krishna Prasad, Muhammad Aftab, Kiran. Is everything is clear? Okay. Thank you very much, guys. We'll see you tomorrow by 6 o'clock. Take care. Bye bye.